Hey everyone, I'm Allison and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be doing a Gucci Disney unboxing because they just recently released a collection in honor of Chinese or Lunar New Year, and it's going to be the year of the rat or the year of the mouse. So obviously Mickey is a perfect icon for this collection. And along with the unboxing, I'll also show some ways that you can style this and how it looks on an actual person at the end of the video. So without further ado, let's just get right on into it. So I ordered this item from the Gucci website, so I obviously already opened the box it came in, but it just came with this bag, and then it came with the receipt stuff, so not that interesting. So I haven't seen my scarf yet, but I'm really excited. So let's just open it. Actually, it might be kind of hard. I loosened the knot. Here we go. Oh, it has this gorgeous red wrapping paper. Oh, it's like wrapped in here. Here it is. Here is the scarf. You see the Mickey print and the GG print. And then here is the tag. DisneyxGucci. So I picked out this item because I thought it was something that's really versatile. You can style this scarf slash shawl in so many different ways. Whereas like things like a t-shirt, you can dress it up different ways, but I think I'll get a lot more use out of this item. So that's why I picked this item over some of the other things. I think it has a lot more wearability. So this scarf retails for $475 plus tax, so I ended up paying around $522, which I know is extremely expensive for a scarf, but when you're a huge Disney fan, I think you're willing to spend a little extra for items that you truly love, and this is something that I will definitely treasure and appreciate and love for years to come. And so I think it's definitely worth it to me, in my opinion. I still obviously don't like the price, but I spent the money on it, and it's something that I know that I will use and love and treasure. So that's my little spiel. But anyway, if you love something, you're able to reasonably get it, then I think it's okay to splurge on things that you will really love and cherish. So okay, anyway, I also wanted to add that I checked online recently and it unfortunately seems to be sold out online, but if you live near a store, then you could go check that out and see if they still have it in stock, because I think it's such a great item. So here's the scarf unfolded. There's this little label on the corner. It's fairly sheer, but that's okay because when you put it together it's more substantial. And you can't see the whole size, but it's pretty large. It's a square and it's 55 by 55 inches, so it's fairly large. You can definitely do a lot with this. Okay, so now I'm going to show some ways that you could style this and show that how it looks on the body. So let's get into that. Okay, so first you can fold it into a triangle, and then you can wear it as it originally is intended for, as a shawl. So you can just drape that over yourself. And for reference, I am about 5'2", so this is how it looks on someone who's 5'2". And now something that you can do is you can make it a little more form-fitting by adding on a belt. Okay, so you have a bit of a more styled shawl. Okay, and then here is another look with a belt. I just folded it in half a few times and then draped it over my shoulders and then put a belt around it. Obviously you can wear this as a scarf. You can wrap it around like this. Fold it in half and you can loop it through so it's tight around your neck, keep you warm. Then you can kind of just free-for-all, just condense it and then wrap it around like this. You see the little Mickeys there, super cute. Then here what I've done is I folded it first into a long triangle, and then from the tip I just kind of rolled it or folded it so you have this long skinny scarf. And so you can tie it in a knot in the front here like this. You can also tie it up as a cute little headscarf. Okay, so that's a few ways that you can style and wear this scarf. I think it's pretty versatile, and there's so many other ways that you can tie scarves. There's tons of videos on YouTube. But that's all for this video, so let us know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!